Class 4 Computer. Class 4 Computer. Today we are going to learn more about types of software. Today we are going to learn more about types of software. In our previous class, we have learned about what is a software, types of software, system software, operating system and its functions, and language translator. I think it was clear to you. Today we will learn the rest portion. That is, we are going to learn about utility software, antivirus software, backup software, compression utility, application software and its two types, that is general purpose application and in there it is many part, that one, and the special purpose application software. So I hope you are going to enjoy. Utility software. Utility software. Utility software is a system software. Utility software is a system software that helps in maintaining a computer. It helps us to analyze and monitor the performance and proper function of a computer. It helps us to analyze and monitor the performance and proper functioning of a computer. So this is an utility software. Now what are the examples of utility software? That are antivirus software, backup software, compression utility software and etc. There are many more utility software. So what are the some examples of utility software? Is antivirus software, backup software, compression utility software and etc. Antivirus software. Antivirus software. This is a system utility software. Okay, antivirus software is a system utility software that help us to protect our computer. It help us to protect our computer and network from viruses. There are many types of viruses in the computer, in our laptop. So by installing antivirus software in the computer or a laptop, it protects our computer and protects our network from all the types of viruses present in it. It protects our computer from the failures and loss of data. If there are some viruses, what happens now? Due to some viruses, all the files, all the data, whatever there is in the computer, it's get lost. That means it is being deleted. When we are doing reset option, it is all deleted. So with the help of antivirus software, it is very useful. It protects our computer and network, plus it protects our computer from failures and loss of data also. Clear? So there are some examples of antivirus software. Most probably we have always listened about McAfee. McAfee is mostly used antivirus software which is there in every computer and laptop. Then Symantec and AVG. Symantec and AVG are some examples of antivirus software. You have to remember all the symbols properly. It is very important. All the types of symbols, that is what is the symbol of McAfee, what is the symbol of Symantec and what is the symbol of AVG. Okay. Backup software. Backup software. Backup is a procedure that copies data to an alternative location for recovery. Backup is a procedure that copies data to an alternative location for a recovery. So you all know in our phone nowadays there are backup, so that we can store all the photos, all the documents which are required for us, which is necessary for us, which is very important. So it is being backup and it is stored in it. Okay. It protects data from corruption and changes. There is no corruption and data changes with the help of backup software. Okay. So backup can be done on storage devices and servers. So backup can be done on storage devices and servers. The examples of some backup softwares are, that is CD, DVD, pen drive, cloud serves, etc. That is CD, DVD, pen drive, cloud serves, etc. So there are also some symbols which you have to remember, that how CD looks like, how DVD looks like, how pen drive looks like, and how cloud servers looks like. So you have to remember all the types of symbols, okay, which is very important for you. Compression utility. It is a software program. It is a software program that compresses and extracts the file size to occupy less disk space. So what happens, sometimes we are doing some files and which are very big and which cannot be uploaded or which cannot be stored in the device due to the large size of the file. So what we do, we all compress it. Nowadays in our phone also there are so many apps. With the help of apps we can compress it. Okay, so the compression utility software is the work of compression utility software is this only. Large size files can be compressed and attached and sent through emails. Okay, when it is too large, we cannot send it to the emails also. So we have to compress it into the size by which we can send it to the email. Many operating systems come with the basic compression utility. Clear? For example, WinRAR, 7-zip, PKZip, etc. So WinRAR, 7-zip, PKZip, etc. are some of the compression utility software. Tech fact. Injo Rochelle developed RAR. What is the full form of RAR? That is Rochelle Archive. File format for data compression. Injo Rochelle developed RAR, that is Rochelle Archive file format for data compression. Application software. This software is a collection of programs. Designed to do specific tasks. On the computer. There are two categories of application software. They are general purpose application software and special purpose application software. So there are two types of application software. One is general purpose application software, another is special purpose application software. So general purpose application software. Okay, this software is designed to meet the general needs of a user. This software is designed to meet the general use or needs of a user. Some of the common examples of general purpose application software are, see in the next slide, the first one, word processing software. This software helps the user to create and edit documents in an effective manner. It is mostly editor based. So this software helps the user to create and edit documents in an effective manner. It is mostly editor based. Examples of some word processing software are, the most commonly used software is MS Word, Notepad and WordPad. MS Word, Notepad, WordPad are some of the examples of word processing software. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software. This software helps the user to perform calculation by simulating paper worksheets in the form of grid. This software helps the user to perform calculation by simulating paper worksheets in the form of grid. It helps in organizing numerical data. It helps in organizing numerical data in the form of charts for further analysis. What are the some examples of spreadsheet software? They are MS Excel, Lotus 123, Apple Numbers, etc. So MS Excel, Lotus 123, Apple Numbers, etc. are some examples of spreadsheet software. Multimedia software. Multimedia software. This software allows the users to create and play audio and video files. This software allows the user to create and play audio and video files. They help in playing media files with the audio players. They help in playing media files with the audio players. Examples of some multimedia softwares are Windows Media Player, Windows Media Player, Real Player, Real Player, and VLC Media Player, and VLC Media Player. So VLC Media Player is most commonly used. Presentation software. Presentation software. This software shows information in the form of slides. This software shows information in the form of slideshow. The function of software includes slide creation, charts, text formatting, animations, graphics, audio or video clips, etc. So presentation software is the software that shows information in the forms of slide show. The functions of software includes the slide creation, charts, text formatting, animations, graphics, audio video clips, and etc. Some examples of presentation software is MS PowerPoint. This is most commonly used. MS PowerPoint, Adobe Flash, OpenOffice Impress, OpenOffice Impress. Graphics software. Graphics software. It allows us to create, manipulate, or model images on a computer like cartoons, logos, graphs, etc. It allows us to create, manipulate, or model images on computer like cartoons, logos, graphs, etc. Some examples of graphic softwares are MS Paint, which is commonly used, MS Paint, Adobe Photoshop, and Dreamweaver, and etc. There are many more. Tech Corner, that is Tech Corner. The app used in mobiles are good examples of special purpose application software. So the apps used in mobiles are good examples of special purpose applications. So now in the next slide we will learn about the special purpose application software and more. Special purpose application software. Special purpose application software. This software is designed to meet only specific needs to the user. Okay, so this software is designed to meet only specific needs of the user. They are also called as customized or bespoke software. They are also called as customized or bespoke software. Examples of special purpose application software are MATLAB, Tally, payroll system, reservation system, etc. MATLAB, Tally, payroll system, reservation system, etc. are some examples of special purpose application software. Let's do some exercises. Following exercises are in the next slides. Number A, fill in the blanks. Number A, fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are the important elements of a computer system. Hardware and software are the important elements of computer system. Dash controls the entire operation of a computer. System software controls the entire operation of a computer. Dash acts as a mediator between the user and the computer hardware. Operating system acts as a mediator between the user and the computer hardware. Multimedia software help in playing media files with dash. Multimedia software help in playing media files with audio player. Match the correct logos to the software. So I have said you have to remember the logos very carefully so that you know what are the logos of which one. So you are going to match it by your own. You have to just write down the correct numbers beside the names. State whether the given statements are true or false. Okay. The requirement of hardware for the corresponding software is essential. That is true. Backup cannot be done on a storage devices. False. There are 3 categories of application software. False. Only 2. MATLAB is an example of customized software. That is true. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. This converts the program written in high-level language to machine language as a whole. That is compiler. Which of this is not a compression utility? Notepad is not a compression utility. Do the following question answers by your own. Why do we need a backup software? Why do we need a backup software? Number 2. What is the purpose of presentation software? What is the purpose of presentation software? Number 3. Name the 2 categories of application software. Name the 2 categories of application software. Number 4. What is an utility software? Give any 2 examples. What is an utility software? Give any 2 examples. Go through the chapter very carefully. Till then, thank you.